The Hat Seller and the Monkey. A hat seller walked through a sunny forest with a bunch of multicolored hats. He sat under a large tree to rest, placing his hats beside him. A group of playful monkeys, attracted by the colorful hats, came quietly. They took the caps and ran up the woods. When the seller woke up and noticed his hats were missing, he looked up to see the naughty monkeys wearing them. He thought about how to collect them, confused and worrying his head. Then he had a brilliant idea. He removed his own hat and threw it to the ground. Surprised, the monkeys followed him by throwing the stolen hats down. The hat seller quickly collected his hats and started his travel, little wiser. The moral of the story: in tricky situations, using your wits can be the best solution, as the hat seller showed us in this clever tale. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.